Hello everyone, today we are going to take a look and test out the new 12-volt cordless hammer drill from Parkside. This is the performance series with brushless motor. It should be stronger, faster and longer lasting than normal ones. They compare this with the old PBHAP 12A1, should be that much better. The code name on this one for reference, it's PBHAP 12A1. Alright, so let's take it out of the box and take a look at it first. Alright, so in the box you get the hammer drill, you get an adapter for using normal drills, you get 2 drill bits for masonry, concrete and so on. We get some drive bits here and we also get wood drill bits. We get the manual, which is of course in several languages with lots of information explications. Right, this comes without the battery or the charger, and we are going to do a test first. So this is the old 2 amp battery. This one can be fitted here in the box. You can fit one and it closes down, even though it's not so apparent. Then we get this part here where you can actually put the charger. This is the old charger, no problem putting it here, it's going to jump around. But with the launch of this one, the new performance batteries and charger have came up, so we get this 5 amp, and here is the old 4 amp. They look rather similar, but this one has 4 amps, this one has 5 amps. The increase in capacity also comes with a higher discharge current, so this one should drive the motor a bit better. Then the performance charger, which looks exactly like the old one, but this is totally scaled up, so they look the same, but this one it's rather huge because it has now a 6 amp charging current, so it charges the batteries much more faster. And the toolbox is specially made to fit this one here, and you can put a battery in the tool and another one in the toolbox, so you can put 2 amps here, another one 2 amp, or a 4 or 5 amp battery, or you can also use the new 2.5 amp battery, performance battery. It's the same, this one has the same size as the old 12-volt 2 amp battery. They look very similar, but the performance one comes with higher capacity and of course higher discharge current. Taking a look at the tool, it has 3 working modes: drilling mode, drill and hammer only. You can switch that mode from this selector here. You have this switch to make it go forwards or backwards, and although it has a progressive accelerator or trigger or button or whatever, call it how you want, this one has 1 speed, 2 speeds. So this doesn't have a progressive acceleration, it only has 2 speeds. So 1, as you can see, there is a bit of variation, but it has a kind of soft start, but gets to high speed, and then you can only vary the speed on a very limited interval. When this is under load, when you are working with it, it mostly has 2 fillable speeds, something like minimum and something like feels like maximum. Sometimes it feels like it only has 1 speed, so this is kind of wonky working, but that should not be a huge problem, because there are a lot of hammer drills that only have 1 single working speed. They are just simple on-off, so this should work pretty fine when you are actually drilling something with it. By default it comes with the SDS chuck installed, so if you want to use the normal drill bits you can use the adapter here, and this has a SDS profile here, fits here inside, so you can also use this with normal drills to actually drill wood or something like that, or even use the bits that allow you to screw things in. So we should auto test that. So let's put it to the test and see how it works.
So quick.
And now you have seen it in action, and as you can see it's a tool that does the job. Especially this is a tool that a lot of people are going to say that well, it's just 12 volt, you cannot do serious work with it. This is not actually intended to do serious work with it. This is a tool that is very compact, very light, takes very small place and space to keep and store and to use. You can use it in places where you cannot fit a big hammer drill, or you want to do a quick hole in a wall. You don't bring that big chunky hammer drill just to do a tiny hole. You take this out of the box, you drill it, and you are done with it. You just it takes you more to wipe up the dirt that you made, the dust, than to put the tool away than actually drilling that hole. Of course, it's not going to go as fast in as other tools, but you get the idea. If you want to do something that's not a huge job, then this is a perfect tool for doing that. And it's polyvalent because with the adapter here, the extra chuck, and with all the batteries and combination chargers and working capabilities and a bit of speed variation, which as you've seen is kind of wonky, You can do a lot of things with it, so you don't need 3 tools, one for screwing in things, one for drilling, one for doing other stuff. So this kind of is all in one, and the brushless motor has a lot of power to do that job. So until my next video, see you and bye bye.